Hello and welcome to the first episode in my series on baby massage techniques. We'll be covering multiple areas of the body, each in its individual videos, and then combining them together at the end of the series. In this first video, we're going to cover the leg massage techniques. The reason being that this is the area of the baby that they are most used to being touched due to nappy changes. The first thing you'll want to know is what oil to use. So I often use grapeseed oil or pure coconut oil. You want to find 100% natural and cold press extracted oil. And with any baby massage, we always do a test sample first of the oil. So you place a dash of the oil just above the elbow joint on the arm and leave it for a couple of minutes just to see how the baby's skin will react. I suggest if you're following along with this video that you pause it now and go and do that test sample on your baby. So even if you're experienced with oils before, or you've used them before on your baby, and if you have a new product, you always want to test this again on the baby's skin. Now the one thing you want to avoid on baby skins at this age is any petroleum based massage oils. Most of the mainstream lubricants and massage oils are petroleum based. This can be quite harsh on baby skins, they haven't quite developed the resistance yet. You also want to avoid any aromatherapy oils at this stage, just until they're about 2 years old and the skin's had a chance to develop its resistance. Essential oils are great to have around the baby, just stay away from direct contact with the skin until about 2 years old. So after checking your test patch to make sure there's no redness, we can then proceed with the massage. You want to give your baby an idea or a cue that it is going to receive a massage, and it's not just getting a diaper change or being prepared for bath time. You want it to know each time you sit down to do a massage, this is going to be a massage, and you do this by repeating some non-verbal cues, which we're going to do now. To start with, warm some oil up in your hands, and we're just going to start with nice long strokes all the way down the body. This is your non-verbal cue to the baby that you're going to do the massage. The more often you do this at the start of the massage, the more the baby will be prepared and start to settle into having a massage and even look forward to it. Next, after a couple of strokes, lay your hands on your baby's chest. And we're going to look your baby in the eye and say, "Would you like a massage?" If you do this every time, your baby will start to recognise this phrase associated with a massage as well. This is the verbal cue that a massage is going to take place. You also want to make sure that you haven't got any stress or tension in your arms, as this will be transferred into the baby during the massage. So relax your arms, relax your shoulders, take a couple of nice deep breaths and prepare yourself for a relaxing moment with your baby. And now you'll want to add a bit more oil to your hands because some of it will have absorbed into your skin and into your baby's skin. Again, do some nice long sweeps down the body with the warm oil in your hands. Oil in your hands. In this video we're starting with the legs. You're going to hold the opposite leg in the opposite hand. So the right leg for the baby will be held in your right hand. The first stroke is a nice open palm sweep down the outside of the leg, over the knee, over the thigh, around the bottom and back up the back of the leg. You're going to repeat this a couple of times. Then switch hands and perform the same stroke along the inside of the leg. Next, you'll want to do what's called a C stroke, where you place your thumb and your forefinger around the leg, clasp it fairly tightly and bring it down the calf muscle, relaxing the grip slightly as you go over the knee because you do not want to put pressure on this joint, and then increasing the pressure again as you go down over the thigh. Repeat this a couple of times and then change arms. repeat on the inside of the leg. Again, making a C shape with your thumb and your forefinger, running it down the calf, releasing the pressure as you go over the knee joint and down the back of the thigh. And now we switch legs and we repeat this process with long sweeping strokes on the outside of the leg to start with, around the bottom, back up the back of the leg. And on the inside we do the same sweeping stroke with our open palm. Then we move to the C stroke with our thumb and the forefinger, applying pressure down the leg, releasing pressure at the knee, and then applying pressure again. Finally, we're going to finish with the feet. We're going to do a figure of 8 in small circles on the base of the foot, making sure we cover all parts of the foot. And then taking each toe one at a time, we're going to say the little rhyme. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went to sleep. And at the end, we clasp the foot between our hands, which will encourage blood flow back to the area and heat the foot back up. We then repeat this process on the other foot, starting with circular motions with the thumb in a figure of 8 around the foot. And finishing up with the nursery rhyme. I hope you liked this video. There's a couple more I've got, so make sure you check them out on how to massage your baby. If you've liked the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to stay up to date with my newest releases, and I'll see you next time.